Hello, we are the Michigan Tech Foundry Extrusion Press Quenchbox team. I'm Patrick Miller, and working along with me this semester is Evan Labiak, Colin Walsh, Kako Dowell, John Safford, Gavin Marino, and our sponsors were Russ Stein and Tom Wood down in the Michigan Tech Foundry. An overview of what we're going to be talking about today. We'll go through the project overview quick, look at the old quench system operation, and then we will dig into our new diving board design and cart operation, as well as the new quench design and cart operation. So the problem that Michigan Tech Foundry had is they did not have a sustainable quench box capable of attaching to the extrusion press, and the purpose of our project is to provide the Michigan Tech Foundry staff with a sustainable and professional design for quenching extrusions coming out of the extrusion press. So here we'll see how cumbersome the old extrusion press quench system was. We'll speed this up. So as you can see, Tom right there is struggling to get that set up, has to ask for help, and then you'll see shortly here, as it goes in, they have to slide it on, and then they had to attach the drain pipe. Meanwhile, a hot extrusion is coming out towards Tom. It's really just not a safe, sustainable way to quench material coming out. So then moving on, our first action was to build a diving board cart. That is what the old quench system was sitting on right here. So we had to get that out of the way so that we could have room for the quench cart to come in. So here's the design for that. We mocked it up in CAD. We also did some FEA to make sure that it could withstand the loads that it would see. And here's a video of it operating. So you can see you roll it up to the extrusion press. There are two pins that align it. And then you push the shuttle into the press, and then you can take the cart away from the press so that you can push the quench cart up to it and begin quenching as the extrusion is coming out. So that goes right into our quench cart design. So as you can see here, we have a cart with 4 legs with 4 nozzles each, as well as a drain pan and a funnel. They're able to control the water flow in the quench cart, as you'll see. So here's our quench cart in operation. The extrusion is already coming through. That metal is very hot as it comes out of the press, and then as it comes through the quench box, it rapidly cools down. Thank you.